two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication and make your Snapchat account much more secure. Like videos like this, there are already other related videos here on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. So come on guys, when you open up your Snapchat, you're going to click up here on your profile picture. Then you're going to click on settings up here on that gear icon. You're going to scroll down a bit and here it is guys, two-factor authentication. You're going to click down here to continue. Now you choose how you want to receive this verification code by SMS. So here's my phone number or authentication app. It's much more secure guys, your authentication app. For example, Google Authenticator here. If you don't know what Google Authenticator is, there's already a video explaining it on this channel and I'll leave it in the card now. I'm going to choose the last option, Google Authenticator, which is much safer than SMS. That one asks how I want to set up, automatically, manually, or by finding an app. So since I've already installed Google Authenticator guys, I'm going to click on the first option, set up automatically. Click OK and I'm going to choose Google Authenticator here below. That one asks if you want to set up by SMS as well. So I'm going to set up by SMS as well. Click here below, set up SMS. And now I'm going to generate a recovery code in case I lose access to both SMS and the Google Authenticator app. With this recovery code, I can log into my account. If you want to generate this recovery code, you click below to generate the code. And there you have it, guys. Two-factor authentication has already been successfully enabled. If you have any questions, put them down here in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.